This is the fourth video of SolidWorks series. In the video, we'll convert this 2D sketch of a wine glass into this beautiful 3D model with very minimum efforts. Let's start. Go to File, New, Part, OK. Right mouse click on the right plane and select Sketch. Roll middle mouse button down to zoom in a bit. Go to Line, click this arrow, and select Center Line. Create a vertical center line along origin point. Left click, left click, left click, and left click. Right mouse click and select. We've just created 3 center lines. Smart Dimension. The distance from here to here should be 60 millimeters. From this point to this point should be 40 millimeters, and from this point to this point should be 5 millimeters. Click OK, and we'll create 3 copies of these 3 lines. Go to Linear Sketch Pattern, select it, 3 copies, and click on this line. Press Ctrl and click on this line, and Ctrl and click on this line. You can preview 3 copies, and we will change the distance to 25 millimeters. And we want to create the copies on the left side, not on the right side. So I will change the direction, and I will click OK. SolidWorks will create some relationships automatically. Select and press Delete button on your keyboard to delete them. Select Smart Dimension. We know the distance from this line to this line is 25 millimeters. Click OK. The distance from this line to this line should be 2.5 millimeters. Click OK. Click Spline Tool. Left click on this point. Left click on this point. Right mouse click. Select. Spline Tool again. Click on this point and click on this point. Right mouse click and select. Select Spline Tool one more time. Click here and click here. Right mouse click and select. Now click this line. 2 handles will appear. All you have to do is to drag this one out and down, and drag this one out and down horizontally. And click on this line. 2 handles will appear again, and adjust them a little bit as I'm doing it. Now, left click on this line and press Ctrl and click on this point and make coincident relationship. Now click on this point, press Ctrl and click on this line. Make coincident. Click Smart Dimension. Click on this point and this point. The distance between these 2 points should be 5 millimeters. And click on this point and click on this point. The distance between these 2 points should be 5 millimeters as well. Click OK. Click on this line here and pull the handles in a little bit. Select Line Tool and click here and click here. Right mouse click, select. Our sketch is now complete. Exit out of it. This is Sketch 1. And make sure Sketch 1 is selected. Go to Surfaces, select Revolved Surface. Click on this center line. Click OK. And we have created a 3D model of the wine glass from the sketch. So, proportions could be a bit better. We can improve it a bit more. Click Extend Surface and click on this edge. We are extending it by 10 millimeters. Click OK, and this is much better. We will also thicken it. Click this icon and click on this surface and change the thickness to 1 millimeter. Click OK, and we will apply fillet to these sharp edges. Click fillet, and 0.5 millimeters should be OK. And now click here and OK. We'll also apply fillet on this edge here. Click fillet, select this edge, 0.5 millimeters, and OK. Our wine glass is complete. We can apply material. I do not have a nice glass material rendered for the purpose of this video. We can apply any other material, maybe steel, brushed steel, drag and drop, and you can see how beautiful and natural it looks. So this is how you create a wine glass in SolidWorks with minimum effort. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next lesson.